How's it going, everyone? We're back. These next couple clips will be shot different days. Some of them will be shot today. Some of them were shot about a week ago when I got the part and I installed it. Already by the title of the video, you guys know what it is. And if you follow me on social media, you know what it is. I couldn't wait to post it. I was like, I gotta post it now. So as you guys saw in the clips that are before this, walking up to the car, I unlocked them so you guys could see the sequentials, right? They're pretty noticeable in daytime and nighttime over the OEMs, especially in the daytime. At nighttime, yeah, they're bright, but you could also see the OEM ones at nighttime. It just wouldn't. It's hard to explain, to be completely honest. But the fact that these are all it's an LED sequential, so it'll illuminate the entire thing. I think that's what makes this really cool. And I guess you can say, you know, it's safer because people will be able to see the turn signal more from the side because it's sequential, blah blah blah, whatever. I just think it looks cool, and it definitely completes the silver or the black on silver look that I have going. I'm sorry, my video got cut off. Black on silver theme that I have going on. Here, let me close my mirror real quick. See, OEM, this is clear. And, you know, it was more to this instead of this. And now this black one that I have just fills in more with this. And it goes with, you know, me having the overlays on the amber in the front and on the back. And it just completes the look. I'll turn that on for you real quick. It's really nice. Only thing is, when you're driving, you can't see it. So it's one of those things that you either see outside of the car, or unless you poke your head out, you can kind of see the end there. But yeah, that's about it. That's the only downfall about this mod, is it's something you can't really see on a daily basis. Unless, you know, when you're walking up to your car and you unlock it, oh cool. It's more for something for others to see, but it's cool to know that you have it. There's not much more I can really show you right now, because it is kind of daytime. Oh, here, let me hear. See, you can kind of see it. Go around the back. Keep the Tell the Dragon sticker. Kind of see it on this side too. Pretty cool. A little close up. Now we just need someone to make these sequential. In the daytime, like I said, they're really noticeable compared to OEM. OEM, it was really faint, in my opinion. Really hard to see. And with these now, even though they're smoked or tinted or whatever you want to call it, they still look really good. So that's all I gotta say for now. I'm gonna cut the video here, insert the clips from when I was installing it. Unfortunately, it is not a full hands-on install video. I kind of just picked up the camera halfway through and started recording a few things. I was at work, so I was just doing this on downtime at work. So I kind of just picked up the camera, explained a few things there. For me, it was a complete pain in the office because I just have big hands or what. But yeah, but we did get it. We did the passenger side with our hands, and then I did this side with plastic pry tools because one of the mechanics had pry tools. I did break one piece on the passenger side. It wasn't anything important. The mirror the cap went back on just fine. Driver's side, I didn't break anything, thankfully. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and play those clips now. You know, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Sorry, I'm being distracted by dust. Go ahead and comment or message me on Instagram or whatever, and you know, I'll try to answer to the best of my ability. As far as where I got them, like I said, I ordered them from a seller in Japan, and it was through Yahoo Auctions. I want to go ahead and show you guys these at night, so I'm going to wait till it gets dark out in a couple hours, and then I'll show you them again at night from far away, from the side. And yeah, and then that way, that'll complete the video. We got some pots straight from Japan. These are the old ones. They're already on. Over here, we already did this side. See? Super cool. And then this side, we went ahead and took that apart. First side we did by hand, second side I had somebody help me with some pry tools. Made it a whole lot easier. But if you're gonna do it by hand, you gotta be very careful, and you gotta pull the mirror off. And there's some clips. There's one there, there's one there. And then there's one that hides up here that you have to pop out. Be very careful other side. I kind of broke this. It still went in fine, but you know. Besides that, we've probably been at it for like 20 or 30 minutes now. We're finished though. This side has it too. But the first 10 minutes was us just prying stuff, so. Alright, just like that, we got the other side on. Nice and tight. You put this back on, you know, make sure you hear all the clips go back into place. Same thing on this side. You know, make sure all the clips are clipped in. And you're good to go. Alright, what's up guys? Here I am, like a month later maybe. Yeah, my videos are all out of whack. So it's kind of dark out now. It's after daylight savings, so it's kind of hard for me to be out when it's really dark out and to remember to do this video. Usually if I'm out late, I'm just like cruising around or something. That's besides the point. This is just to end off the clip, just to kind of show you guys how these side mirror sequentials look in the dark. Granted, I do have a little bit of light there, but there you have it. Turn that down a little bit. So, you know, it looks good. You know what I mean? They're nice, they're bright. You can see them from all around. And I have the brightness turned down on the camera, just so, you know, it's a little more noticeable. Get up close to this one. Over here it's a little darker, so you can see a little better. Sequential. Back up a little bit. Nice bright, you can see them. So overall, I think they're worth it. They're almost as bright as the front ones. And these are smoked. But, you know, then I got my my tinted ones back here, and I mean, even those are bright. Thank God for LEDs, right? But yeah, guys, that's the good old smell of 93. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you have any questions, y'all can feel free to hit me up on Instagram, shoot me an email. You know, Instagram's probably better. I'm rarely ever answer my emails. That's my Instagram. Yeah, you know, just feel free to hit me up. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. What's going on, everyone? We got some bonus content for this video. I got those sequential turn signals like back in February. We are now in the middle of July, and one of them isn't working. You can see my flashes are on. This side's working just fine, but this side doesn't work. So what I'm gonna do is, I have my OEM ones in the trunk. I'm gonna swap it out, see if it works. If it does work, then, you know, I know that it's the board itself, which is probably what it is. Besides that, these guys came in very handy. I just used a mixture of the three. Got the mirror cap off, no broken clips whatsoever. So I know the first time I think I broke one or two on the driver's side. So just wanted to update you guys on that. I'm pretty sure mine was just a bad batch, or a bad board or something. I don't think it was, you know, all of them are going to be bad like that. I don't think that's the case. So I'm going to go ahead and try this. I did have to pull this off, and it was a combination of, you know, kind of prying it and pulling it with my hand and like holding it in place while pressing some of the clips in with one of this smaller finer ones, pushing the clips, and then I was able to get it off. But in total it took me like 8-10 minutes max. So, you know, I'm gonna give this a shot, and I'll get back with you guys. Alright guys, so final update for today. When I unplug this area right here where the connector goes in is very warm to the touch, which leads me to believe there was probably a short circuit or some sort of failure inside here. And then it's kind of clear that this one's working fine. So it is the module that failed, not the cable. So I do have one on the way. I gotta check the tracking to see when it'll be here. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, because I kind of don't want to be turn signalless on the side mirror, but it is what it is. So I will go ahead and update you guys once I get the new one. And, you know, when I get the new one, I'll be doing both sides, just so, you know, they're both new. I'll have that one on that side as an extra, just in case, but hopefully I don't have this issue again. I'm pretty sure it was just a bad set. But yep, let me just go ahead and put this back together, and I'll be back in a few days or a couple weeks when I get the new ones. Alright, so it's like 2 or 3 days after I took these apart, and we got the new ones. So this side I already wrapped it up. This side I gotta finish putting the thing on. One thing I did have to do with these eBay ones that I didn't have to do with the ones from Japan is I had to kind of trim the hole that goes around this peg. So that's kind of something you gotta look out for, and then you have to kind of like twist it on there and get it to sit into place. It doesn't just slide on directly like the other ones, but it works. So yep, that's exciting. I'm gonna finish putting this back on and then transfer this video and edit it at some point. The AliExpress ones will be going on here. This is the Nightshade, so it's got the black wheels. So I think this will go nicely with the black, the smoked out ones. But over here, I kind of just want to show you guys the fitment. You know, obviously it's got a little bit of a gap there, a little bit of a gap there, but I think that's how it is anyways. We can compare it over to this side. Yeah, see, even OEM has a little bit of a gap and a little bit of a gap, so that is nothing to worry about. It fits just like the OEM ones. You can go on this side too. See the same thing. But yeah, guys, so that's that. If I haven't edited this video by the time I get the ones for this car, I will probably add that in as well. And it'll be just more bonus content. So, thanks for watching, guys.